Hello everyone, today I'm going to do breakfast with croissant and poached eggs. But I've learned this new trick on how to do poached eggs in the microwave. What you do is you get a cup of water, 3/4 full, add a little bit of salt in it, and then what you do is break the egg, gently put it into the cup. And depending on the microwave power, what I will do is put it in for say 2 minutes and then just wait. In the meantime, you want us to wash the knife. So it's about 1.5 minutes now, and I'm going to just take it out. Then should hopefully have a perfect poached egg. At this stage, what you may want to do is just get a kitchen towel just to rinse the water before you put it on the plate. So if I can show you in there. Let me just take you closer to look at the poached egg. Then you have your perfect poached egg with croissant.